Welcome back to Best Mom Hacks. I share tips on saving, earning, and making mom life a little easier. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It helps so much. Hey moms! If you're looking for simple, beginner-friendly ways to earn extra income from home without needing special skills, this video is for you. These are realistic, mom-approved side hustles you can do during nap time, school hours, or late at night. No pressure, no overwhelm. Let's start with one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to earn money from home: selling printables on Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website. And before you think you need to be a designer, absolutely not. I started with simple pages, checklists, kids' activity sheets, planners, wall art, even reward charts. Printables are amazing because you create once, sell unlimited times. They cost $0 to make. Moms are constantly searching for digital tools that simplify life. And you can design everything in Canva, super beginner-friendly. Some ideas you can start today: daily routine charts, kids' coloring pages, chore charts, meal planners, budget trackers, holiday-themed worksheets. By the way, I'll place all the helpful tools you might need down below if you want a head start on earning extra. UGC, or user-generated content, is another amazing way for stay-at-home moms to earn. And here's the best part: you do not need followers. Brands pay regular people, especially moms, to create simple videos using their products. Think cleaning a product, unboxing, trying a kitchen gadget, showing how a baby item works, making a recipe using their food brand. Brands love moms because we're relatable, real, and authentic. And trust me, companies want to see normal homes, not fancy studios. You can earn anywhere from $50 to $300 per video, depending on the brand. Next is becoming a virtual assistant, or a VA. If you're organized and enjoy helping people, this is perfect for you. No experience is required. You just need basic computer skills. You can help businesses with things like email organizing, scheduling, answering customer messages, posting on social media, organizing files, simple data entry. What I love about this side hustle is the flexibility. You can work during your most productive hours, early morning before the kids wake up, or late at night. Virtual assistant rates usually start at $10 to $25 per hour, depending on the task. Did you know you can make money selling photos and short clips of your everyday mom life? And no, they do not need to look professional. Stock websites love kids drawing, no faces shown, moms cooking or cleaning, home organization, cozy living room shots, morning routines, seasonal decorations, hands holding products. You upload once and earn every time someone buys your photo or clip. These won't replace a full-time income, but they're great for extra money during nap time or while waiting in the school pickup line. You can earn small amounts by doing short surveys, watching short videos, trying new apps, taking photos of receipts, answering simple questions. Little earnings add up quickly, and they can cover small bills like groceries, subscriptions, or coffee money. And finally, becoming a content creator. And yes, even with no followers, you can start today. Mom content performs so well because it's relatable. You can share cleaning hacks, cooking shortcuts, mom hacks, toy recommendations, kids' meal ideas, organization videos, budget-friendly tips. Brands love working with moms, whether your audience is big or small. And as your pages grow, you can earn from ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, and product recommendations. These side hustles are simple, flexible, and realistic for busy moms. Let me know in the comments which one you want a full tutorial on, and I'll make a step-by-step video. Thank you so much for watching Best Mom Hacks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check all the helpful links in the description.